Let me show you how you can turn off the automatic flashlight on the iPhone. Well, there are two parts of this. At first, if you are capturing photos and videos inside of the gallery, in order to turn off the automatic flash, you have to be in here in like this regular mode. But when you click on the more options in at the top right, you make the things appear. And the first one is the flash, and there are three options for the flash. When it's strike through and like disabled like this, it means it is turned off entirely, but you can click on it and now it is automatically turned on based on your environment, and you can click on it once again and now it is turned on. So as you can see, now that I capture the photo, it will be with the flash. But the point is that without going to these more options, you can also see the flash icon in there, but you cannot really control it that well. You can see that now it is turned off, but you can also expand it to give you like a better and nicer look of the features. So that was the first part. The second one is when the flash is triggered by notifications. So for that, you need to go to the settings and click on accessibility. And below, from the options, you need to find the audio and visual section. And in here and at the bottom, we have the flash for alerts, and this can be enabled whenever you receive a notification. Now, the flash, literally the one next to your camera on the back, is going to light up to indicate that you have a new notification. You can obviously customize it a little bit more, but if you don't like that this is turned on, this is where you can find it and disable it. So again, accessibility, audio and visual, and then that's where you can find it. So let me know if it worked for you or if you found what you were looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.